Welcome to Mystical Minds. I'm your host, Jamie Girard. Today, I'll be reading you a poem called Being in Alignment from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Girard. Being in alignment. The best means of achieving our desires and overcoming our challenges is to be in alignment with our source, the Creator. He has all the answers to your everyday challenges, and He knows you best. Be the best version of you, and let God handle the rest. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. I believe that with 100% of my being. And since I've let go of all my ego issues and just let things be the way they're supposed to be, let things unfold the way God unfolds them for you, or if you want to call it the universe unfolds it, whatever you want to call that. I find when I finally let go, things just open up that you don't expect. When you follow your heart, it all unfolds. Yes, sometimes there's things that happen that you're like, why did that happen? But then just take a step back and realize that that happened for a reason that you can't explain. Don't even try to explain it. Just accept it and move on. There is a reason for it, and accept it. It's okay. When little things happen and make you step back a little bit, there's a reason for it. Follow your heart. That's what I believe. Follow your heart. Follow love. Thank you so much for listening, and have a beautiful day.